flip of a switch to the turn of a car key, we are the ones powering your energy needs. Over here at the Barbados National Terminal Company Limited, let's hear about the history of BNTCL.
My name is James Dorsett. Currently, I'm the Engineer and Maintenance Supervisor at BNTCL. I started working at the company in March 1st, 2005. When it came to the terminal was still under construction. The tanks were up. We didn't have any fuel in the tanks. We were still going through the whole partially construction and commissioning phase of the equipment and the systems. We currently hold some of the most state-of-the-art systems in the world in terminals. And throughout my period of time working with the systems, we have done a lot of upgrades to keep abreast with what the current market holds. We store and distribute gasoline, diesel, jet fuel, and we also export crude oil. We have 7 pipelines. Each pipeline is monitored by what is called a PLC, a programmable logic controller. And within our system, we can stay in our control room and we can practically see what everything that's going on with the pipeline, i.e. the flow rate, temperature, pressure. We can, in some cases, we can actually open and close valves. In the year 2013, I believe, we transitioned from a manual operation at Oistins, and we fully automated the Oistins facility, whereas operators can now sit in the control room, open and close valves from here to Oistins, start and stop pumps. So the operation then became a fully automated operation, which totally eliminated the need for any persons at all to be at the Oistins pump station during the transfer.
We need to go on the ship and stay 24 hours at Needhams. Or during the entire operation, loading and offloading, we will stay on the vessel. But here now, everything is automated, so you just go on the vessel, do the paperwork, make sure everything is in order, and then you come ashore and you can operate valves, pumps, everything from the operation room.